this lecture we can start some formula of trigonometry, and also we discussed in the previous lecture some formula, and then some formula we have and then discuss it. Firstly we can say that we discuss the all coordinate formula, but some formula we have. The first is 360 plus theta. When we multiply in a 360 plus theta and 3 into 360 plus theta, 4 into 360 plus theta, and so on, and into 360 plus theta, then you all formula come in first coordinate, because when one rotation move, then we come in first coordinate first. When you rotate and second, then also come, and third is also come, and the fourth is also come, and we know that the all trigonometrical function positive in a first coordinate. Then we say that sine n into 360 degree plus theta is equal to sine theta, because here is the 360. We know that the function cannot change on a 360, and then cos n into 360 degree plus theta is equal to cos theta, and tan also n 360 plus theta is equal to tan theta, and then sec n into 360 plus theta is equal to sec theta, and cosec n into 360 plus theta is equal to cosec theta, and then last we have the cot n into 360 plus cot theta. And then any function does not change because you have the 360 degree. We also know that function cannot be changed on a 180 and the 360. This formula is completed. With the help of the coordinate we can remember very easily, and then after that I study some formula based on identity. Based on identity. What is the meaning of identity? We know that when ask you what is your name, firstly you say that my name is this, and my father name, and my class is, and then you study in a class 11th, and then after that you study in class 12th, and then your identity cannot be changed. Here the same meaning. Trigonometrical identity never change. When we change and then reverse processes come back the same. Then we study the trigonometrical identities. Trigonometrical identities. We also study in a 10th class. The first identity is trigonometrical. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay na? And then first, with the help of coordinate, we study how can define and prove that y sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Firstly, we take a unit radius. What is a unit radius? Also discussing the radius. The radius is equal to 1 unit is called the unit circle. Okay na? So this is a 1 because, and when taken the a and taken the b, then the coordinate of this point is a and b. And when we do this type, and then you can determine this is a triangles, and then this is a right angle triangle. When a b c, this is a 90 degree. The opposite side of the 90 is the hypotenuse. This is a base, and this is a perpendicular. Okay na? And then when we say that with the help of Pythagoras theorem, by the Pythagoras, by the Pythagoras, the hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay na? And here AB is hypotenuse and BC is base, perpendicular AC square. Okay. We also know that in these triangles, this is a component and this is also a component. We know that here theta is equal to 0 and theta is equal to pi by 2, 90 degree. Okay na? And also know that the value of sine 0 is equal to 0, and then we take here is the sine theta, because here is the theta is equal to 0 and sine theta is equal to 0, and then here is the sine theta. And also we know that cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, and here is the cos, and this component is the cos. We can say that here is the sin theta and cos theta, a sin theta and b. Okay na? And then multiply by, when this value and this value are equal, then a is also cancel that. Yeah, a unit radius here is also 1 and here is also 1. Then sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Then prove that how can this is a possible. With the help of this circle we make a triangles. Firstly we make a triangles. A, B and C. This is a 90 degree, and also we know that with the help of the which is the perpendicular and which is the hypotenuse. Also we know that the sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon में hypotenuse and cos theta is equal to base upon में hypotenuse. Okay, then theta is taken that, but this is a perpendicular line and this is a base, this is a hypotenuse. According to sin theta we take perpendicular AC upon में AB, and then cos theta is equal to base, it means that BC upon में AB. Okay, we put this value in this equation. Sin की वैल्यू कितनी, AC upon में AB, squaring because here is square, and also BC upon में AB squaring, and then we send AB square plus BC square upon AB square. We know that AB square upon AB square, this is same, and then in next page we write first AC square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square. Here this is the same. Also we know that when denominator is the same, then numerator is also add, and AC square plus BC square upon AB square. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, in these triangles, Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. It means that BC square plus AC square, yeah, AC square plus BC square, we can write the place of AB square, and then AB square upon AB square, we cancel that, this is a 1. Okay na? This is a proof that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first identity. We can determine the more than formula with the help of this identity formula. First formula is sin square theta is equal to, after that 1 minus cos square theta, and second is cos is here and the sin is, after that 1 cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We can do formula with the help of the identities. Okay na? And the second identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Second identity is, with the help of the trigonometrical circle we can prove that this formula. Firstly we make a circle, which radius is 1, and this is also similar concept of this formula, and make outside these triangles. This is a and this is a b and this is a c. Take theta, and also we know that sec theta is equal to 1 upon में cos theta, and then cos theta is equal to base upon में hypotenuse, and then we say that this is a reciprocal. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, and also we know that tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon this is symbol of perpendicular upon में base. The value of tan theta and the sec theta put in this equation. This is square, and also we can square hypotenuse AB, base is BC, and perpendicular is AC, and the base is BC. Put this value in this equation. AB upon BC squaring, and minus that AC upon BC square. We can write this formula. AB square upon BC square minus AC square upon BC square, and this is a similar. Also we know that denominator is the same, then here is negative, then we subtract, and AB square minus AC square upon में BC square, and we can determine with the help of this triangle this value. We know that this is a hypotenuse. Discuss here. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. Actually we can determine this value, AB square minus AC square, and then after that equal AB square minus AC square is equal to BC square. We can add the value of this place is equal to BC square, and then BC square upon BC square. We can cancel each other 1. This is a proof that sec square minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and we also find two formula with the help of these identities. Look at here. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and after that tan sec square theta is equal to, here is the minus, after that equal plus 1 plus tan square theta, and then sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is here, after that 1 sec theta we can add tan square theta 1 minus sec is, we can multiply the minus both side. Tan square theta is equal to minus 1 minus sec square theta, and then minus plus, and then we can add sec square theta, and plus first we write and minus after that, then we can say that tan square theta is equal to, and here, and the first is here. And third identity, similarly we can prove that third identity is cosec square theta minus cosec square minus cot square theta is equal to 1. With the help of the unit circle we can prove also. This is a and this is a B and this is a C. This is a theta, and also we know that the cosec theta is the reciprocal of a sin theta, and also we know that sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon में hypotenuse. Then we can write the cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon में perpendicular. This is a hypotenuse AB, perpendicular to mean that AC, and also cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. This is a reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, and then we write BC upon perpendicular, it means that AC. We can write the value of cot and the cosec, put in equation, and then cosec AB upon AC square minus cot BC upon AC square. We also write that AB square upon AC square, that separately BC square upon में AC square, and here also denominator is the same, and then AB square minus BC square upon में AC square. With the help of this trigonometrical these triangles, we can write AB square minus BC square is equal to AC square. Okay na? And then we write then AC square upon में AC square, cancel, and can we find the 1 and then prove that. Okay na? We can also find two equation with the help of this identity, because we study here. Okay na? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. After then we can write cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, the first identity, and similar that we can write cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. We study three identities, and with the help of these three identities we can study the sixth formula, 2, and also the 2 is sin square plus cos square is equal to 1, and then here is study with the 9 formula and their proofs. Okay, thank you.